What's up guys, it's Jason Marketing here again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a new website that you can use to earn money online. So you're probably seeing this video for the first time, or you're probably hearing about this for the first time, but I can assure you it works perfectly fine. So if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. I would really appreciate that, guys. So now straight up to the video. The website we're going to be using today is Validately. This probably must be your first time, or you probably have been hearing about it. So Validately is much like a website where you are paid to test websites and test apps. So you can actually test the website for 5 minutes and you can earn as much as $25 every 5 minutes. So if you work on this website at least 30 minutes or 1 hour a day, you should be making over $200 plus every single day. So this website works for everybody. It's for everybody, guys. You can use it anywhere you are in the world, any country you are. You can actually use this website. So I'm gonna be taking you through the whole process for this website. So first off, what you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Validately. So the website should pop up now. Type in Validately. So the first website you see here, register as a tester and start earning money. Click on it. So this is how the page should be. I just have to show you the page. This is how the page should be. So what I want to do is we want to create an account. So now it's going to be asking you some questions to know how they can take you through the whole process, what you're going to be doing, what websites you're going to be testing, so that they can actually pay you directly to your PayPal account. So this website, you can be paid directly to your PayPal account and make a lot of money. Guys, imagine making $300 every single day on this website, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay for anything, you don't have to do anything, just you can use this website on your mobile phone and on your computer. So I'm actually making this video on my computer right now for those of you who actually have a computer and want to use this website on your computer. So it's a really easy process. The same process on your computer is the same process you're going to be using on your mobile phone. So now it's gonna be asking you some questions. You're gonna be answering these questions. It's a really simple process. So I'm gonna be taking you through the whole question process. What type of mobile device do you own? I own an Android, so I can actually click on Android. Click on next. If you have an iPhone, you click on an iPhone. If you have an iPad, you click on an iPad. What type of computer do you own? So I own a Windows PC. What version of Windows do you own? I own Windows 10. Your gender, are you a male or a female? If you're a male, click male. If you're a female, you know what to do. Then what year were you born? You input your date of birth, your year of birth, and then you continue. What's the level of education? So now here is the tricky part. Here's the tricky part. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a tip here so you can earn maximally to increase your chances of earning more. You wanna click on college graduates because they're gonna be paying college graduates more. Then what's your employment status, sorry? You can either click on full-time, part-time, or self-employed. So I'm gonna be going with self-employed. In what industry are you working? So what you wanna do is you wanna go and click on something, and this is what I'm gonna be showing you now. So most of the time, if you go on this website, you're probably gonna be clicking on maybe financial, healthcare industry or anything. Now, to maximize your earnings, you wanna click on communication services or information technology. So what I'm going to be clicking now is information technology. I'm going to be earning more when I click this. What's your job title? So on job title, we want to scroll down. You can actually click on marketing manager, sales manager, or anything. Advertising and promotion. There are lots of them here. So we're going to click on display additional results. when you click on display additional results, it's gonna be showing you more results on different types of jobs. So what one I'll be clicking on now is financial manager or marketing manager. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be clicking on financial manager. Then what's your annual household income? Household income. So we're gonna be going for 75k to 125k per year. What's your full name? You type in your full name here. So I'm gonna be typing in my full name here. Click on next. Your email, you put in your email address, your real email address for this. So I'm gonna be putting in my email address. So guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. So you click on I'm not a robot. So let's just go through this capture stuff to show that yeah, we're not robots here. Click on verify. Then we click on next. What is your PayPal email? Your PayPal email. I'm gonna be putting in my PayPal email. Your PayPal email is so you can be paid. So that when you earn this money, you can be paid directly to your PayPal account within 24 hours. So this money can go into your PayPal account within 24 hours. It's a really easy process. If you don't have a PayPal account, I've already made a video on how you can create a PayPal account and receive money from anywhere in the world. So I'll be leaving a link to that video in this video description. So just click on that link and learn how you can create your own PayPal account and start earning some money into it. So I'm gonna be putting in my PayPal email address here. That's my PayPal email address. We're gonna be going through the capture stuff again. So I'm gonna click on this again. Guys, just follow these steps carefully. Watch the video to the end so you know how this whole process works. So you don't come in tomorrow and tell me I didn't make money or I wasn't paid. This website is actually verified. You can actually Google it. This whole capture process is taking much of my time. We just have to verify we're not robots. You probably will be asked the same question. So just continue doing it until it ticks. Continue doing it until it ticks. Yeah, it has ticked, and okay, next. Then you can input a password. Set up a very easy password. Something you can remember. What's your time zone? So you click on detect my location. So it has detected my location, and then we'll click on next. You just have to click on this I agree. Click on I'm not a robot. You go through the capture stuff again, verify. We complete the sign up process. So guys, I've seen that it's really easy here. It's really easy. So thanks for signing up. You have been sent a confirmation email with a link on your screener text. So yeah, we are done with the whole sign up process. So copy and paste this link in a browser. So one thing for this website is you have to use a Chrome browser. That's why I say stick to the end of this video so you know how to use it, because if you probably use a Firefox or any other browser, it won't work. So you have to use a Chrome browser for this website. So you have to copy, then we'll take the screener text. So I'll go over to my phone and confirm my email address. So here it says I will test websites for money. The page has showed here. I will test website for money. So this is your task. This is your task page. You can actually drag and keep it anywhere. Go next. This is where your task instructions will be. So I'm ready to begin this test. You have to install Validately extension so that your tests can be recorded. So the whole process for this test is the same process when you are being verified. So this is just a test. Once they're done with the test, they'll send you an email confirming that you have been verified, and then you can start making some money. So I have to add the extension. So I've successfully added the extension. I am ready to begin this test. I am ready to begin this session. I am ready to begin this session. I am ready to begin this session. You're gonna have to pass through these whole things so that they can confirm that your microphone is working for the whole test. I am ready to begin this session. I'm ready to begin this session. We click on next. So now you can select share. Share your entire screen. Guys, a very simple process. Just continue following the whole process with them. They're gonna be asking you to share your entire screen so they know that you can actually take this test. So this is a to-do app. What simplest current projects. So show task. Add a note to the notepad. Add a note to the notepad. Complete. You need to complete this task. Yes. Next. Let's see, really happy. Yes. Next. You can just type in anything. You can close the tab now. So we're done taking the screener test. So they will send you an email confirming that you have been accepted into the Validately website, and then you just follow the same process again and start making money. Guys, the first time you're gonna be doing this is gonna take you some time, but that's the whole process to it. If you're probably using this on your phone, it's gonna be easier for you. So it's because I'm using this on the computer, and I don't usually use this on my computer. I use it on my phone. So I just had to show you on my computer here that I can actually use this and make some money. So you're gonna be paid directly to your PayPal account. So just follow the steps, watch this video to the end, and give me feedbacks on the comment section if you are done with your whole process, if you have been accepted, and if you have started making this money. You can make as much as $300 daily, 7 days a week, from anywhere in the world. So just kindly smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. I would really appreciate that. So see you guys again tomorrow.